That was a bit longer than a minute because I'm a bit wrecked. I'm going to try and get to 100 and then have another 10-minute break, but I'm really keen to get to this 100. That's 80 down, and yeah, a bit of tingling in my arms now. My bicep's going to rip off its bone, but if that happens, I'm just going to have to swallow a teaspoon of cement mix or something. But having a little bit of fun, but lots of pain as well. All right, so here we go. Going to try for another 10, 30 seconds off, have another 10, then have a 10-minute break. Woohoo! Let's go! Yeah! Yeah! Ah! Pause there for a minute. Oh.